Have you ever wondered why, no matter how hard you work, true financial security always seems just out of reach? You're not alone. Millions of middle-class families feel the same way, juggling bills, savings, and the constant worry of what if. In this video, we'll explore the real reasons behind this persistent sense of insecurity. Let's take a calm, honest look at the forces shaping our financial lives and discover what you can actually do about it. Ready to find out why the middle class never quite feels safe? Let's begin. Picture this: you get a raise at work, but somehow your bank account doesn't seem to grow. Expenses keep piling up, and that sense of relief you expected never really arrives. Sound familiar? This is a common experience for many in the middle class. But why does it happen? Let's pause and consider the bigger picture before diving into the details. One major reason is stagnating wages. Over the past few decades, the cost of living has steadily increased, but wages haven't kept up. Even as productivity rises, paychecks often stay the same. This means that in real terms, many people are earning less than their parents did at the same age. Have you noticed your paycheck not stretching as far as it used to? You're not imagining it. Inflation quietly erodes your purchasing power year after year. Prices for groceries, housing, and healthcare rise, but your income doesn't always keep pace. It's like running on a treadmill that keeps speeding up. You work just as hard, but you're not getting ahead. This slow squeeze is one of the biggest reasons the middle class feels stuck. Debt is another heavy weight. From student loans to credit cards and mortgages, many middle-class families carry significant debt. Each month, a chunk of income goes straight to repayments, leaving less for savings or emergencies. Have you ever felt like you're just working to pay off yesterday's expenses? That's the debt trap in action. There's also the pressure to keep up. Social media, advertising, and even friends can make us feel like we need the latest gadgets, bigger homes, or more expensive vacations. These lifestyle pressures often lead to spending beyond our means, making it even harder to save or feel secure. Do you ever wonder if you're spending just to fit in? Let's meet the Smith family. Both parents work full-time and earn decent salaries, but after paying for childcare, groceries, and their mortgage, there's little left at the end of the month. When their car breaks down, they have to use a credit card, adding to their debt. Their story is all too common, and it shows how even doing everything right can still leave you feeling insecure. Consider Jane, a young professional renting in a big city. Each year her rent goes up, but her salary barely changes. She dreams of buying a home, but saving for a down payment feels impossible. Jane's experience highlights how housing costs can outpace income, making financial security feel like a distant goal. Now imagine Mark, who has a stable job and some savings. One day he faces a medical emergency. The bills quickly eat up his savings, and he's forced to dip into his retirement fund. Mark's story reminds us how quickly things can change and why so many people feel financially vulnerable. Sometimes it feels like you're making progress. Maybe you get a promotion or pay off a credit card, but then a new expense pops up or prices rise again. This cycle can be exhausting. Why does it seem like every step forward is met with a new setback? It's not just bad luck, it's the system at work. A key challenge for the middle class is building savings. With so much income going toward essentials and debt, there's often little left to put aside. This lack of a financial cushion makes unexpected expenses even more stressful. Have you ever wished you could save more but just can't find the extra cash? Retirement can feel like a distant dream. Many middle-class workers worry they won't have enough saved to stop working comfortably. With pensions less common and Social Security uncertain, the pressure to save more is real. But how can you save for the future when the present feels so tight? Healthcare is another major concern. Even with insurance, out-of-pocket costs can be high. A single illness or accident can wipe out years of savings. This constant risk adds to the feeling of insecurity, making it hard to ever truly relax about money. Education is often seen as the key to a better life, but the cost of college or vocational training can leave families deep in debt. Parents want the best for their kids, but paying for education can mean sacrificing their own financial security. Technology has changed the job market. Automation and outsourcing mean some jobs disappear while others require new skills. This uncertainty can make it hard to plan for the future. Are your skills still in demand? Will your job exist in 5 years? These questions add to financial anxiety. It's easy to compare yourself to others, especially online. Seeing friends, vacations, or new cars can make you feel behind even if you're doing well. Remember, social media rarely shows the full picture. Everyone has their own struggles, even if they don't share them. One actionable step is to track your spending. Knowing where your money goes can help you spot patterns and make better choices. Even small changes like cutting a subscription or eating out less can add up over time. Have you checked your spending lately? Another important step is building an emergency fund. Even a small cushion can make a big difference when life throws you a curveball. Start with a goal of saving 1 month's expenses, then build from there. Remember, progress is progress, no matter how slow. When you get a raise or bonus, it's tempting to upgrade your lifestyle. But this lifestyle creep can quickly eat up any extra income. Try to keep your expenses steady and use raises to boost savings or pay down debt. It's not always easy, but it's one of the best ways to build security. Financial decisions can be overwhelming. Don't hesitate to seek advice from trusted sources, whether it's a financial advisor, a reputable website, or a supportive community. The more you learn, the more confident you'll feel about your choices. If you've ever felt financially insecure, remember, you're not alone. The challenges facing the middle class are real and widespread. By understanding the structural reasons and taking small, consistent steps, you can move toward greater security. Stay curious, stay calm, and keep learning. For more practical financial advice, don't forget to subscribe. Your journey to financial peace starts here.